people, people of the internet, I thought I would give an update about the ECTO-1 I'm printing right now. Um, Another part of for it is printing right now. I have planned a few things for it. I even printed some things for behind me here somewhere. Um, Maybe we can start with what I've printed so far. You can have all these time lapses here. This one, maybe this one. Um, I'm gonna just show you all of them, kind of while talking. I printed quite a few parts already. I have about 30 or so more parts to go. I bought a soundboard for the Arduino, for the ECTO-1, and the Arduino inside the ECTO-1. Uh, yeah, I think that's pretty much all I can say about this at this point. There will be a longer video about this when I finish printing, and then there will be another video when I'm painting and programming the parts inside of it and painting the outside. Um, I think there will be more videos of 3D printing like this sort of small little like this paintbrush and paint holder I found at printables.com. Warhammer stuff. Mainly printing though. I even print. I think I already said that I even printed these speaker holders here. Uh, it's one of the parts I printed for the ECTO-1. It's just a little bracket to hold the car in while painting and to not scratch it up somehow somewhere. Yeah, I'd say have fun watching all these time lapses. Here are like 10 of them, 8, I don't know. Have fun. We'll see each other next time. With that, I send all of you into a wonderful weekend, and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye bye. Was zum Alter.